Now today we will write backward numbers from 20 to 0. So first on the top we will write backward numbers. Capital B, A, C, K, W, A, R, D. Backward, leave one finger space. Write down capital N, U, M, B, E, R, S. Backward numbers. 20 dash 0. Now we will write TO. T means tens, O means ones. Write down T O dot T O dot T O dot T O. Now we will start writing backward numbers from 20 to 0. So first we will write 2, 0, 20, 1, 9, 19, 1, 8, 18, 1, 7, 17, 1, 6, 16, 1, 5, 15, 1, 4, 14, 1, 3, 13, 1, 2, 12, 1, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's revise backward numbers from 20 to 0. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. In this way, you have to write one more time.